Hey chickies! Thanks so much for hanging out for a bit today. We are going to be chatting all about the November Boxycharm. We have here the premium box and also the base box. If you're new here, I'm Christine, curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. Greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. Would absolutely love it if you'd be part of the Chickie crew. Also, please don't forget to hit that bell and hit all. As well as please give this video a like. I would truly appreciate it. We are going to be chatting all about the November Boxycharm. A lot of you last month requested that this month I do a little bit more of a try on. So I will be inserting clips of me trying on the products. These products were sent to me from Boxycharm for reviewing purposes, but you know the deal. I'll let you know whether I like it, I don't like it. Let's first start with the base box, and inside you're guaranteed 5 full-size items, and this is $25 a month. This month's theme is called Beauty Invite Only, and for reference I have box number C21110009-BA. So the first thing we have in here is a full size of this Kate Somerville Skin Health Sensitive Skin Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser. I've received a few products from Kate Somerville in the past, but you know with skincare products, you don't want to try too many products at once because you want to see how your skin reacts to it. So this is what it looks like. I gotta say I like the packaging. A daily gentle face wash that's formulated to cleanse and soothe without tightness or irritation. Non-foaming creamy formula removes makeup, dirt, oil, and impurities while maintaining skin's radiance and essential moisture, and this retails for $40. We have from the brand Milk Dew. This is a pH balancing moisture milk toner. I like the container, it's glass. This toner meets moisturizer features a blend of apricot kernel oil, soybean extract, and sriracha extract to deeply hydrate, condition, and soothe the skin. It's the perfect energy boost needed to revitalize dull, dehydrated skin. It also helps remove any last traces of dirt or excess oil that can cause breakouts or irritation, and this retails for $34. Okay, this sounds really interesting. I love toners. So we have an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Violet Voss, Violet Sunset. Now, to be honest, I was debating on using this one today, but we do have something else in the premium box. That's what I opted for. But I just wanted to share with you what the palette looks like. Ooh, let me take off this little slip cover because it is a gorgeous palette, so drawn to purples and warm tones like this, but I decided to step out of my comfort zone. A color story inspired by the magical colors of the sunset. It provides iconic everyday warm neutrals and complementary pops of color to achieve all looks you desire and more. And the perfect mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallics, always pigmented and extremely blendable. And this retails for $37. You have no idea how much I wanted to play with this palette. Next in the box, we have some Lily lashes. So the style of this is called Falling For You, and I am wearing them today. Very first time trying Lily lashes, and when I saw this style of the lash, I was like, oh no, these are going to be way too natural, but I think it pairs well with the eyeshadow that I'm wearing today. The band of these lashes are so thin, but they're still very easy to work with, and they feel super lightweight and very comfortable. Lightweight, flared, and airy, just like an autumn breeze, the limited edition Falling For You lash adds delicate length and volume to create an undeniably natural glam finish. And yes, that is spot on. It retails for $28, so I'm gonna have to look into Lily lashes because I always hear so many people rave about Lily lashes, and now that I got a chance to try it, I definitely want to pick up a pair. 2 sheet masks, Vita masks, the Glow Juicy Berries, and it says it's sustainable. This is the Glow Juicy Berries biodegradable sheet mask. Vita mask, sustainable nourish flower nectar, made with multi-peptides, ceramides, probiotics, and flower extracts. These masks are biodegradable, and these retail for $18. So this is going to be a nice treat for my skin. I haven't actually tried a mask that's biodegradable. I really like that whole aspect. Let's move on now to the premium box, and the premium box is $39.99, and inside you're guaranteed 6 full-size items. Box number I have here is C211206-PM, and the first thing in the box is from the brand Galactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. did not use this because I'm not too much a fan of rose oil. It is pretty though. Fall in love with this long-wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of argan oil, raspberry seed oil, vitamin E, and jojoba oil. This gloss isn't sticky and is the perfect go-to formula for a glossy finish. This retails for $20. I'm going to be passing this along to somebody else. The next item we have here is Nude Sticks, and this is their Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel. It's a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution while visibly rejuvenating skin tone and texture. This skin superhero is also formulated with vitamin C and lemon peel oil to brighten the skin for a radiant, youthful glow, and this retails for $34. So I'm really curious about this product since it's supposed to be an at-home micro peel. Next in here is from the brand Riddle Roll-On Fragrance Oil in the scent Original. I hope this smells good. Oh, I like the packaging. It's very sleek, right? Oh, this smells good. Definitely right up my alley. The Original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance or suffer from fragrance-related headaches. Rest assured when you roll on your Original fragrances, it's hypoallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. And this retails for $50. Holy crap. This little itty-bitty thing is $50. I mean, thankfully it smells good. This is something that I'm going to throw in my purse because I love dousing myself with body sprays, mixing scents together. So this, wow, this is such a treat to have in the box. Next in the box is a palette from Persona, and this is the Identity 2 palette. Shadows in here are beautiful. You have some shimmers, some mattes, but quite honestly, the shadow that really jumped out at me was this blue called Independent. I'm going to insert some clips here of me applying the shadows because this blue, if you've been here on my channel for a while, I don't typically wear blue eyeshadow, but this was the one that really called out to me and I decided to also step out of my comfort zone. So I ended up creating this look and I really liked the way how my shadow turned out today. These shadows blended beautifully. They're pigmented. I did get a little bit, like very, very minimal fallout, which was very surprising because I did use a lot of dark colors. I really packed it on there and I blended it out. So it says the Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery, blendable formula as the original Identity palette with more stunning shimmers and epic color payoff. Versatile enough for everyday looks, date night drama, and everything in between. And this retails for $42. You know I'm going to be using this one. It's a gorgeous palette. In this bag, Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. Wake up and fight dark circles and puffiness with Eye Bright Now Serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and this retails for $38. We're going to be giving this a try, throw this in the mix. This is from the brand Rodial, and this is one of their blush drops in the shade Sunset Kiss. Opened it. I was thinking that it might not go with the eye look. Leave it to me. I was thinking I was going to create more of a natural look. This is absolutely gorgeous. When you blend it out, it just has this really soft glow. It's like a peachy pink with a, it's not even shimmer. It just gives your skin this glowy look to it. Applied it on the skin the very first time I kind of dabbed it out with a damp sponge. I was blown away by it. Wow, it is beautiful. Enhance the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. The concentrated drops provides a buildable, illuminating pop of color to the cheeks. And this retails for $50. Did layer about 2 times because I wanted to build up the color, and yes, it's definitely buildable. So if you're going to ask me which one did I prefer, the base box or the premium, I gotta give it hands down this month to the premium box. I love the versatility. It had the fragrance, it had the palette, it had the blush, it had the lip gloss, even though I'm going to be passing it on to somebody else. We had a skincare product. So I'm curious to hear your thoughts on the box. What did you guys think of the items? If you receive Boxycharm, please let me know what items were in your box. Did you receive the premium? premium or the base box. I would love to know. I hope you enjoyed hanging out today and found this video helpful, and also found the little clips of me applying the products helpful. If you enjoyed hanging out and enjoyed the video, please make sure you give this a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chicky crew. Thank you, Chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next video.